Brad Williams, Excel Prime, SUMIFs. Here's an introduction to SUMIFs. What's the big deal here? Multiple criteria. Remember, I put a little bit of emphasis on that. We're looking for a criteria. Well, here we're looking for multiple criteria. The anatomy. SUMIF, some range, some criteria, range. Here, we can set multiple range criteria. They have to match. In other words, range criteria 2. You can't just put range 2 and ignore criteria. It just won't work. And they're optional. Range 1 and criteria 1 are required. SUMIF is capable of summing lists based on multiple criteria. In this problem, SUMIF is configured to sum all amounts by week based on 2 criteria. Dates greater than or equal to the date in column E. Dates less than column E's date plus 7 days. Sounds complicated? Not really. Okay, it's just a matter of the configuration. What you need to do is just follow what SUMIF demands. That's it. So here is SUMIFs. Here's what it looks like. We have, let's go here. SUMIFs, notice S, amounts, sum range. Sum range is what? Amount 95. We have a name range here, C5 to C17. In other words, we're taking up this entire list. Criteria 1, date 95. What's date 95? It says B5 to B17. B5 to B17. Saying here we have all of these dates, and then criteria 1 is what? Greater than or equal to E5, right here. What we need to do is we plan on adding up anything greater than 6/10/2029, greater than or equal to. The second criteria, criteria 2, date 95. Well, we're going straight back to this range. And the second criteria, right here, criteria 2, less than or equal to E5 plus 7. So we're adding up everything between 610 and 617 because we have equals, less than. So all we can do is add up from 610 to 616. It's less than E5 plus 7. So let's take a look here without looking at the numbers. I'm going to escape. Try to find 610 or anything. Okay, 622, 54, 54, 627. You see anything here? We have 610 to 77, and guess what? There's a big old 0 there. Hit F9. We're looking at 620. Well, let's try to find something else. 58. 58 up through 514. Let's look. 514. First four, look for anything in the month of May. And it's limited. What do we see here? Well, there's only one, and I just passed it. 511. 113. That's it. 6729. So that'll go up to 613. See anything here with 613? We have 610, and that's 130. And we have 610 again for 118. So that's it. SUMIFs allow us multiple criteria. Quick review. Take a look. Criteria. It would be criteria. That's criteria 1. Here's criteria 2. Pretty nifty, huh? I love this tool. I use it all the time. SUMIFs, more to come. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you very much.